After months of speculation, leaks, and endless community debates, the DJI Osmo Action 6 has officially arrived. And it's not just an incremental update, it's a statement from DJI that they're here to dominate the action camera market in 2025. For anyone who's been following the evolution of the Osmo Action series, this release feels like the perfect blend of cutting-edge innovation, refined design, and creator-focused features that bring real-world performance to the next level. In this video, we're going to cover every single thing you must know about the Osmo Action 6 before you decide whether to add it to your gear bag. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From its groundbreaking sensor upgrades and cinematic video capabilities to its rugged build and AI-enhanced shooting tools, we're unpacking it all, and yes, we'll compare it to both its predecessor, the Osmo Action 4, and its biggest rival, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Buckle up, because by the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly why the DJI Osmo Action 6 might just be the best action camera you can buy right now. The first thing to note is that DJI hasn't played it safe with this release. They've completely re-engineered the imaging system to deliver sharper, cleaner footage across all lighting conditions. The Osmo Action 6 comes with a newly developed 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Action 4, and this upgrade alone is a game-changer for low-light shooting, dynamic range, and depth of detail. This isn't just a spec sheet bragging point. It's a real-world upgrade that any filmmaker, vlogger, or extreme sports enthusiast will notice immediately. Whether you're shooting in bright midday sun or capturing the last moments of golden hour, the Osmo Action 6 produces footage that feels cinematic right out of the camera. Then there's the video resolution bump. DJI has gone all in on delivering both flexibility and future-proofing by offering 6K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, alongside 4K at a blazing 120 frames per second for silky slow motion. This opens creative doors for storytellers who want more room to crop, stabilize, or reframe their shots in post without sacrificing quality. Of course, DJI's renowned Rocksteady stabilization is back, but now with Rocksteady 4.0, which uses more advanced Euro data and predictive algorithms to make even the most intense mountain bike ride look like it was filmed on a dolly. And for those who prefer more natural motion, there's the enhanced Horizon Steady mode that keeps your horizon perfectly level, even if your camera rotates a full 360 degrees mid-shot. From a design perspective, DJI has refined the form factor without straying too far from the proven durability of the Action 4. The Osmo Action 6 is more compact, slightly lighter, and features a new front touchscreen with higher brightness for better outdoor visibility. The rear screen has been upgraded with a higher refresh rate, making menu navigation smoother and previewing footage more accurate. The camera body is still fully waterproof down to 20 meters, without a case, but DJI has added improved sealing around ports and the lens cover to prevent fogging and water ingress in extreme conditions. Speaking of the lens, the new aspherical lens design reduces distortion and flaring, making ultra-wide shots look cleaner and more cinematic. Battery life has also seen a significant jump thanks to DJI's new Extreme PowerCell 2.0 technology. You can now record up to 180 minutes of continuous 4K video at 30 frames per second on a single charge, even in sub-zero temperatures, a huge win for winter sports filmmakers. And when you do run out of juice, the fast charging system gets you back to 80% in under 20 minutes. This isn't just a small convenience,